Yeah, found a farm. Farm, man. Farm. Great farm. My dad found this when, doing his job. Why is this all cut?
Obviously someone comes over and cuts it.
You know, this is like a place where they have a horror movie, you know, you freaking die. You get murdered here. No one will know you got killed here too. You just freaking cut your throat. Very interesting. What the frick is this? Whoa. Was this the little work area? Yeah. Smells like freaking abandonedness. What is this, freaking dynamite? What is this? I know this is me. Hi, how you doing, Zach?
Nice toothbrush. What's that?
Oh, this is freaking AIDS mixed with freaking heroin, you know?
Alright.
How do they get that in there? What?
Wow, look at this. Back in the days, they didn't have cell phones. They had dial phones.
Hello? Nice talk. There's a freaking vehicle right there. This is where down on Fawn, Terry X Explorers. Terry X Explorers on. Wow. What is this machine? Is this like a killer, dude? You literally just murders you?
Yeah.
Holy God, dude. Imagine this is running over you. Interesting. Freaking eyes. Oh, you get that and put it? You're not even recording. There's a house to this place we're gonna visit last. It's very cool. It's cool how they, yeah, partner, we straight up in the forest. This isn't the forest, it's a farm. Crop duster. Crop duster. How do you get in this? Imagine if it works. If it turns on, I'm gonna freak out. I always want to drive one of the, actually, dude. Ow, you freaking. He's walked into stabby things.
Oh, looks like it's rusted.
I can get up on this. I need to freak this freaking backpack off. Here. Anyone in the comments that's a farmer knows how to open this? I'm just gonna climb it though.
Watch.
Why do they make this so hard for farmers?
Oh, there it goes. There you go.
Does that work? It's a floating steering wheel.
Do some fields.
Yeah. Frick. This frickin', can you move that bottle?
I have to jump.
Woo! Ooh, what's this? What is this? Looks like it will collapse any moment. There's frickin' spiders everywhere there. Oh, one thing I'm scared of, it's not heights, spiders.
Yeah. You go on top of the rope and hang out on the edge, but you can't deal with spiders.
Yeah. They're just gross. Place is pretty interesting. Filled with spiders. Very spooky. Where's the house? Are you sure?
Down the brush.
This?
No, that's part of that building we're just in.
Yeah, I was about to say. Okay, let's go through the front.
Hey, since
is that Amazon?
Huh?
The frick, that's such a thin warehouse. I thought it was about to be so long. It's freaking wide but not long.
The house is totally trash, but they want to make sure.
Let's go through the front.
Oh, don't forget the car. Here, come here.
Oh, where's that at?
And here's a car
Car in there?
in the garage, right there. You got long sleeves, you can move this shit.
We can go through the freaking entrance again, that garage, y'all. We'll get in there. It only makes sense to have this door open, right? There's a freaking toilet. Only made sense.
The floor.
That spider's about to jump on.
Wow, this is good track.
You think?
Huh?
Is it worth going in here?
I don't think so, but don't fall.
Oh my god, it smells like rotting corpse.
Probably is.
Oh. Oh. I'm gonna puke.
Oh, I hear bees. This guy.
Oh, there's bees. Run.
I just heard.
Run fast. I heard that too. What the freak?
You got gloves and stuff. You can move that shit out of the way.
Freaking it's freaking the whole freaking
No,
just vegetation is gonna go on, man.
Don't pull it that way, dude. No. Dude, you're pulling the whole thing now.
Look, I can hold myself like this. Look. Oh, there's a car right there. That's pretty sick. I don't
care.
in there. Totally honest. Yeah.
It's a Ford Focus. We're not going in there because there's spider webs and bird shit and who knows what else.
Guys, this is a quick video because I can, we can get a bigger video soon. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure. That's a big bug out here. Make sure to sub.